Joel Hawthorne of the Morning Snapshot joins us now for our final trade of the day on our show. So great to have you here, Joel.
Thanks for having me, Angie.
He has his eyes on Facebook. A lot of people watching this stock. What are you seeing?
You know, we've heard a lot about Facebook having that pullback. You know, I think losing like $120 billion here just a couple weeks ago or so around earnings time. But I'm a buyer of Facebook at these prices.
Oh, you like it down here?
Yes, I do.
Okay, because some people are waiting for it to go down even more.
Yeah.
And it might not. You never know.
Absolutely, absolutely. Well, currently, as we've seen, Facebook has a bit of a pop to the upside. I think seeing it pop above 180, I think we can get all the way back up to about the 190-ish mark.
That is something traders watch for, conviction. So when you say that, do you need to see big money, the smart institutional players coming in and really dumping into Facebook and trying to pick it up as fast as they can at that level?
Absolutely. I mean, well, let's look at a couple things here. Facebook's report earnings on October 30th, right?
Right.
Here we are kind of early in August. We have a ton of time left for any economic news that'll happen with Facebook. So from now up until that point, any upward momentum is just going to be purely just big money, institutional traders and investors of that nature. So above 180 will give me that conviction I need to be a buyer.
Now, will you put on a spread for this trade or just an outright call buy?
I'm actually going to put on a spread. It's a little bit cheaper for me to actually look for the spread. So I'm going to be buying the 180s and selling the 190s. Those are actually just a traditional call spread. Okay. It's going to cost me about $3.50 or so right now, with the with the 180s bidding at about roughly about $5 and change, and the 190s selling at about 193 or so.
What do you think about the overall broader market? Because some people are worried that the FANGs might start to lose some steam here.
Yeah, you know, funny thing. Over the weekend, a couple days ago, we heard about the U.S. and China having their kind of trade war. As we kind of look here, the market is digesting that news. There is no massive pullbacks or anything like that. So I think this market is still bullish. The market is still strong until we get some kind of conviction, as we mentioned earlier, about the market really kind of not being concerned about that trade war. I think that the bulls are still in control here.
Always happy to have you here. Thanks so much for coming on the show. Have a great trading day, Joel.
Thanks for having me, Angie.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.